Hello friends, in this video we are going to focus on what happens when a customer goes to your contact us form and then places a query. Where can you actually access that query and manage it from? So let's go to the website that we've got and let's go to the contact us form. In this video we are not going to discuss how to create this contact us form because that is in a different video. But what happens when a customer actually places an inquiry out here? Let's say I say the customer's name is Harry. Email is harry@biz365.com. Mobile number is something, and let's say he says, "Hey, please tell me where can I get my orders customized from?" And the customer would have to actually answer this captcha because otherwise you'll start getting a lot of emails which are not good. And then when a customer says send message, he gets a thank you for contacting us box. Now, in order to access these information or these queries, we need to go into customer queries. And when I go into customer queries, all these customer queries start appearing here. All the customer queries will appear in your inbox. You can mark them as starred. You can mark this as resolved. Even you can actually go to your message and reply to this message directly from here. And if you want to delete a message, you can always delete a message. Any message that you delete will always keep appearing here in your trash so that you can always restore a message from here if you want it back. And that's how easy it is so that you can manage your customer queries from one place. Thank you.